Hello and welcome to Chrome Story. Here we talk about Chrome OS and other Chromium based browsers including Chrome and Edge. Now today I want to show you how to delete downloads on your Chromebook. So all you have to do is find this Files app from the toolbar here or from your apps menu, and then you click the Files app. So My Files is where all your local files are, and Google Drive is where your Google Drive files and folders appear. What you want to see is downloads here. Okay, I don't have anything downloaded, so let me quickly download a file here for demo. Right. Yep. So this is here. So I can right click. I can right click and then choose move to trash to delete this file. Now I can also use Alt plus backspace. Now I do that and it is moved to the trash. And if you want to delete it from trash as well permanently, you come to the trash from the left side here, which is common between all these locations. Everything that you send to trash from all these locations will come up here. So you select this and then you either restore files from here, or you delete again to permanently delete the folder file from here. Also remember that anything that's in the trash folder, when it hits 30 days, it will be automatically deleted. Now, I hope you found this little tutorial useful. If you did, let me know by clicking that like button just below this video. Thank you for watching.